Hello there, Jesper Nobel here in my cave of printers, also known as the Nordic showroom of Roland DG. Vacation time is just around the corner, and that means that most of the printers here, like this one, the VG640, and this, the BD12, and this one, the Versa Object LO640 F3, and these two, the MO240 and the MO180, even this, the Dimense printer, the DA640, together with the rest of the 19 printers that we currently have here in our showroom, will be on vacation too. That means that today you and I are going to prepare them for their well-earned break. These are the things we need: gloves, paper towel, cleaning sticks and wipes for the Dimense and DTF printers, a whole range of various cleaning fluids, and, of course, muffins. First and most important, keep the printer turned on. That way the printer is able to perform its own automatic cleaning, and check that the ink cartridges are not close to running out, and the same goes for the cleaning cartridge if the printer has one. The printer uses a small amount of cleaning fluid and inks while cleaning, and if it runs out, it will stop cleaning. While you're at it, give all the ink cartridges a good shake. Also check that the drain bottle is close to empty. If the printer detects too much waste ink in the bottle, it may stop cleaning, and we definitely don't want that. So now it's time to clean the printers. The actual method varies a bit from model to model, but in most cases you just clean around the edge of the print head, and then you clean the wiper blade and the edge of the cap top, just as you would if it was a normal manual cleaning. In theory, we are now done with this printer, but I like to do one final thing. Put in a piece of material and run a nozzle check, just to make sure that the print head is actually working as it should. So, let's see. Yep, that looks okay. There's a little bit of cross-contamination between the red channel and the neighboring white channel, but that can happen after a manual cleaning. But that can most likely be solved just by performing a medium cleaning. Though, if there were actual nozzles missing in the test print, I will highly recommend that you fix that problem, because it will most likely not disappear by itself, and it might even get worse while you are away. How to actually solve clogged nozzles is a chapter on its own, which actually reminds me, if you have any suggestions for new videos here from my cave, I would really like to hear from you, so feel free to drop a comment. One more really important thing that I almost forgot to show you. When you are done with the test print, don't leave the handle down and don't leave the material inside the printer. Let me show you why. 2 days ago, I had a meeting here with a dealer and his customer, and I was showing them the VG4. Note this, I left the handle down and completely forgot about it. Now, watch this. That doesn't look good. And that over there looks even worse. When the material curls like that, it can easily cause a lot of problems when the printer is running its own automatic cleaning while you are away on vacation. So, lift up the handle and remove the material. I have one more thing to show you, so let me just remove these gloves and pull out my phone, because this is where I have this. This is the dashboard of the DG Connect app, and this is the LG 640 we cleaned earlier. And as you can see, status, health check, and we have ink levels. And up here, the LO 640, and again, ink levels and health check. Everything looks fine, nothing to worry about. With this, I can remotely monitor all the printers in this showroom, no matter where I am, as long as I have some sort of internet connection. So if something unexpectedly suddenly happens, I can just reach out to one of my colleagues here at the office and ask him or her to have a look at it. So let's go through the checklist. Keep the printer turned on. Check that the ink and the cleaning cartridges are not close to running out. Shake the ink cartridges. Make sure the drain bottle is close to empty. Perform a manual cleaning. Do a nozzle test print. Lift the pinch rollers and remove the media. And that's it. Printers are cleaned, checked, and ready for vacation. Thanks for watching.